Okay, so today I got the Fass Chinese 165 gallon per hour lift pump. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing video. Let's see what we got. Got the fuel line. This looks familiar, like a Fass system. This looks familiar and it's heavy, just like the Fass. Wow. I am really impressed by that. Huh. It's like identical. Sure the internals aren't, but got your filters. Same style bracket. Wow. You got your fittings, your bolts, fusible link, the gaskets, the return. Looks like it's got everything. Quick connect. Wow. Alright, so I'm quite impressed because this came with every single piece, even the rubber for the mount that a Fass system would have came with. I mean, identical. I mean, filter's a filter, I don't really care. I mean, besides the Fass logo being right here, this thing is pretty identical to it. We're gonna have to see when I put it on my Hummer, but wow. Alright, well, I'm gonna install this thing and I'll tell you guys how I like it.